So there's an interesting trend developing in the real estate market, particularly the Mumbai real estate market, which says that people, home buyers, are choosing to rent houses than buying one. This is the trend we are going to discuss today, and let's start the discussion with a report which has come in from Knight Frank India. The report says that Mumbai property registration dipped around 11% on a year-on-year basis in the month of February. If we have a look at the figures, in February 2022, the registration figures in Mumbai property sales registration were around 10,379 units, which dipped down in Feb 2023 to 9,269 units. So clear downturn, a clear dip of around 9% on a year-on-year basis. A bigger question after this data arises is, are home buyers in Mumbai choosing to rent houses than buying one? The answer is yes. Now, there can be many rationale, there can be many reasonings behind this, but let's start with what are the reasons for not buying property, and then I'll swiftly tell you the reasons for renting property. Coming on to the reasons for not buying property in Mumbai-based real estate market, the first and foremost reason is the rising interest rate of home loans. Every credit policy, as in how the interest rate scenarios rise, we also see an interest rate hike in the home loan scenarios. So that is a concern, that is a big disappointing factor for home buyers, and that can be a reason why people choose not to buy houses. Second reason can be lack of appreciation. Gone are the days when real estate appreciation was next level. Nowadays, the appreciation on a year-on-year basis, if you see, is minimal in the real estate sector, and so home buyers, individuals would consider buying other asset classes or going into other investment avenues than going for buying a house. Another reason for not buying a property here can be interest portion. When you buy a house, you will have to go for a home loan, and when you are going for a home loan, the interest portion on the payment of home loans can be stressful. There are times of situations. Inflation is a bigger concern which people take into consideration, and also while service class people also think about what scenario they'll be in today and what scenario they'll be in tomorrow. So future is something which is not known, and that's the reason people don't want the stress of having a home loan on their head. And of course, when you have a home loan, the interest rate portion, at least in the starting years, the amount is going to be a bigger one. So that is a big stress that leads to people thinking twice before buying a house. So these are the reasons why people don't want to buy a house or don't want to buy a property for that matter. But we have 5 rent aspects that takes edge over buying. Why are the reasons? What are the reasons, the positives of renting a space? Reasons are many, and if you have a look at clearly, renting is cheaper than buying. Of course, renting houses in metro city, buying houses in metro cities, we are aware that our real estate sector has increased to next level in past 10 years, and that's the reason the prices of houses or prices of property, be it residential or commercial, have increased. So people really want to get rid of the stress of buying a house, which will take them or which will take a bigger amount of their investments into it. And renting at places is also considered 50% cheaper than buying houses. So clearly, renting is something which people would consider. The second important thing is that no stress of home loan. Home loan is a bigger stress, and like I said, that individuals these days don't want the stress of a loan on their head, and that's the reason when they rent houses, the stress of home loan is nowhere there. Individuals can choose the location nearby to workspace. In metro cities, and in particularly in Mumbai, we all know that traffic scenarios are a bigger concern, and people really don't want to do the hustle bustle of traveling into the peak hours, and that's the reason people would, if they are renting houses, can choose places which are nearby to their workstation, nearby to their offices, and that can come out to be a big positive because there's less stress, you don't travel, and you can maybe be more productive in your work when you don't have to travel so much in the peak hours. Lastly, we can even say that you can change the location as and how you want, as and when you want, as per your comfort without stressing, because it's not your property, it's an agreement, a rental one. You can close it and you can change the space, the location whenever you want, and low maintenance cost. Of course, when it's not your property, then you don't have to pay the maintenance cost. So that's another positive as well. So many positives of renting houses, then the negatives of buying ones. Of course, till today, home is a dream of every individual, you can say, or maybe you can say now the times have changed and home is a dream of many, but people are calculative and they consider renting as a better option, is what this trend says.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.